Alright. Oh, the ropes are just stretching, man.
That's
The
fun.
treehouse is not even moving. Alright, alright. Just moved up a little bit. Like 3 inches. Okay.
Is it full?
There's a lot more slack on the right side. Alright, now
Did anything happen?
that looks much better. Now you got some slack on the left side.
Okay. Is it going to crash down? No, he's going to go backwards, I think, and then lower down.
Is it at all even?
Woohoo! It is. So far. Beautiful. Keep going. Alright, there you have it. Good. Awesome.
Dad!